Namaste. Now, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your body begin to relax. With each breath, let go of all sorts of tensions from your head to toe. Notice your forehead softening, your jaws unclenching, your shoulders dropping softly. Keep breathing deeply, in and out, calm and peaceful. Feel your body becoming lighter, as if you are floating gently on a soft cloud. Let every muscle relax fully. Let your breath flow naturally and smoothly. Relax, 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 relax. Now bring your attention to the base of your spine. This is the very root of your being. Now imagine a warm, glowing light at the base of your spine, like a golden seed planted deep inside you. With each breath, this golden light grows brighter and stronger, rooting you to the earth, giving you steady support and strength. Feel grounded, safe, and connected to Mother Earth. Know that this strong foundation supports all the good things coming your way. You are firmly rooted and ready to receive fortune and abundance. Now imagine you are standing by a peaceful river. The water is crystal clear and gentle. Visualize your worries, fears about money and lack as dark leaves floating on the river surface. try to see as clearly as possible. Take your time, but try to see as clear as possible. See those leaves slowly drifting away with the current, carrying away all your doubts, all your feelings of I can't, I am not enough. Watch as the water cleanses your mind of all negativity. Breathe deeply and say silently, I release all fears and doubts about my fortune. Feel lighter, freer, more open to receiving good things in your life. Now, mentally, see yourself in a beautiful garden full of fertile soil. This garden is your mind. Take a handful of golden seeds. These seeds represent your positive beliefs. I am worthy of wealth. Opportunities come to me easily. Money flows freely and abundantly to me. I attract success and happiness. These are all the seeds which you have taken. One by one, gently plant these seeds in the soil. Feel the warmth of the sun nurturing them. Feel the gentle rain soaking into the earth, helping them grow strong and tall. Visualize these seeds sprouting, growing into lush plants, heavy with golden fruits of fortune and abundance. I am worthy of wealth. Opportunities come to me easily. Money flows freely and abundantly to me. I attract success and happiness. Now see yourself walking happily through this garden of abundance. The sun is shining. The air is fresh and sweet. Feel the joy of peace in your heart. Imagine your life filled with all the good that fortune can bring. See yourself smiling as success and opportunities come easily. See yourself sharing your abundance with others, spreading kindness and joy. Feel the gratitude swelling in your heart. Say silently, I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. Repeat these affirmations slowly, letting each word sink into your mind deeply. I am deserving of unlimited fortune. I attract wealth naturally and with ease. My mind is open to receive new opportunities. Prosperity flows into my life every day. Feel these truths deeply in your mind and body, anchoring them into your subconscious. Now, it's time to gently return from this meditation. Feel your body again resting comfortably. Notice the sounds around you. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing back with you the peace, power, and positivity. Remember, the power to attract fortune is always within you. Thank you so much.